how to uncap FPS on 5M, or if you're currently stuck at 60 FPS. Now, this is going to be case-to-case basis. So there are a lot of GPU graphics card that you could use actually, for example, NVIDIA or AMD. So if you would like to max out higher than 60 FPS, it's going to be depending on the current refresh rate that you're having. To check that, just simply go into the Windows icon and type in display. And from here, just simply access your display settings. Now, once you're here, just simply scroll down and then go to advanced display settings. Then the next page, just simply choose on the right or the correct monitor where you're playing the game from. And then if you scroll down, you could actually higher the refresh rate, but again, it's going to be depending on the monitor that you use. The other thing that you can do is go back into your Windows icon and type in game mode. Now, once you're here, just simply turn off game mode and it will not sync on the current graphics card that you're using. It will max out depending on the refresh rate of the monitor you're using. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to uncap FPS 5M, or if you're currently stuck at 60 FPS.